In this video, I'm going to show you how to see Samsung phone battery capacity. In most cases, when we buy phone, all we know is it has 5000 milliampere or 4500, in some cases 3005 if you're using an iPhone. But in this case, on Samsung device, there is a way that you can check to confirm your Samsung phone battery capacity and information. So in this video, I'll walk you through the steps to take to check your Samsung phone battery capacity on your device. So you don't need to use any third-party application or install application from any other store. Then the first thing to do is go to Samsung phone settings. While on the settings, you want to scroll down and click on battery. Now scroll down and click on battery information. Then here you see the battery capacity for this Samsung Galaxy A54 device is 5000 milliampere. That is typical. The typical battery capacity has been tested under third-party laboratory condition. This typical capacity is the estimated average capacity considering the deviation in battery capacity among the battery sample tested under the IEC 61960 standard. The rate capacity is 4905 milliampere. That is the rated capacity of this device. So all Samsung phones have rated capacity. The Samsung Galaxy A54 rated battery capacity is 4905 milliampere. Actual battery life depends on network environment, usage pattern, and other factors. However, whether your Samsung phone has 5000 capacity or 4000 capacity, the drain of the battery or battery life varies and depends on how often you use your battery and how often you charge it. However, you need to understand the difference between the typical battery capacity and the rated battery capacity on your Samsung phone. As you can see here, the typical battery capacity on Samsung Galaxy 54 is 5000 milliampere typical, while the rated battery capacity is 4905 milliampere. So this is how to check your Samsung phone battery capacity and other information related to battery capacity and the rated capacity. So if you found this really insightful, if you want to learn about it, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.